A man was angry about life's unfairness. Buddha asked him to put salt in a cup of water and drink it. Too salty. And then Buddha asked him to put the same amount of salt into a large lake and drink. Not salty. The lesson, expand your mind, the lake, so life's troubles, the salt, doesn't overpower you. Siddhartha, before becoming Buddha, saw an old man, sick man, and a dead body, realizing that suffering, salt, is for everyone. Can't avoid it. This drove him to get liberation of expanding his mind. In The Mosquito and the Bull, a tiny mosquito buzzes around a huge bull, stinging him and boasting about how much pain he's causing and how important the little thing is. He tells the bull, "I hope I'm not wearing you out," and promises to leave if the bull is fed up and has enough. The bull doesn't even notice and goes, "I didn't even know you were there. You can leave for all I care." The lesson on non-self, this story highlights that the tiny little thing thinks he's super big. He believes he's the center of the world. The lesson is, we're often not as big as we think we are, and the world goes on fine without our personal drama or interference. To make it good, get simple ideas about yourself. We're not so important. Yeah. All right, we just try one thing. I'm going to have a little bit of clapping. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. All together. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. There you go. So I'm a big giant. I'm going to eat some little dwarfs. And I'm just going to burn this wood to cook them on. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. All right then. Into a big circle over there.